Since when have you been here? ته د کلي نه دلته یې. Since when have you been here? This is out of my control. دا زما د قابو نه بهر دی. This is out of my control. The house is on fire. کور سوزي یا په کور اور لګېدلی. The house is on fire. God's grace is always with you. د خدای فضل عمری ستا سره دی. God's grace is always with you. Don't copy others. د نورو نقل مه کوه. Don't copy others. Here is the money. دا واخله پیسې. Here is the money. Keep the fire on. اور لګېدلې پرېږده. Keep the fire on. We should give up bad habits. موږ له خراب عادتونه پرېښوده پکار دي. We should give up bad habits. Chew the food well. خوراک ښه میده کوه. Chew the food well. Blow your nose. پوزه دې پاکه کا. Blow your nose. Button up the coat. د کوټ بټن بند کا. Button up the coat. Hold this mobile with both hands. دا موبایل په دواړو لاسونو ونیسه. Hold this mobile with both hands. All the while I was waiting for him. ما ټوله ورځ د هغه انتظار کاو. All the while I was waiting for him. He is fulfilling his promise. هغه خپل لوز پوره کوي. He is fulfilling his promise. I will come after a while. زه به لږ ساعت پس راشم. I will come after a while. He came to me as usual. هغه تل د پاره زما خواله راغی. تل د پاره یعنی همیش د پاره. He came to me as usual. Look as you are not well today. ښکاري چې نن ستا طبیعت صحیح نه دی. Looks as you are not well today. He is very talkative. هغه ډیر خبرلوز دی. خبرلوز یعنی چې څوک ډیرې خبرې کوي. He is very talkative. Or he talks a lot. هغه ډیر خبرلوز دی. He talks a lot. You are my namesake. ته زما همنوم یې. You are my namesake. I am a person of words. زه د ژبې پوه یم. I am a person of words. یعنی زه په خبره کلک یم. I keep my words. زه خپله ژبه سر ته رسوم. I keep my words. یعنی زه په خپله خبره پوخ ودرېږم. I am in trouble. زه په تکلیف کې یم. I am in trouble. I have financial problem these days. زه نن سبا مالی خراب یم. I have financial problem these days. He is blind of one eye. هغه په یو سترګه ړوند دی. He is blind of one eye. This is a good excuse. دا یو ښه بهانه ده. This is a good excuse. He was idle all the time. هغه ټوله ورځ بیکاره و. He was idle all the time. My younger brother has his own ways. زما وړوکی ورور د خپلې مرضۍ مالک دی. My younger brother has his own ways. I have my own ways. زه د خپلې مرضۍ مالک یم. I have my own ways. I have pain in my hand. په لاس مې درد دی. I have pain in my hand. What brings you here? څنګه راتلو شو؟ What brings you here? There is a limit to everything. د هر شیز یو ښه دی. There is a limit to everything. Are you angry? آیا ته قار یې؟ Are you angry? Won't you go? آیا ته به نه ځې؟ Won't you go? Do you know? آیا تا ته پته ده؟ Do you know? Will you do one thing? آیا ته به یو کار وکې؟ Will you do one thing? Why is the road closed? سړک ولې بند دی؟ Why is the road closed? Why didn't you go earlier? ته وختي ولې لا نړې؟ Why didn't you go earlier? Why do you trouble yourself? ته ځان له ولې تکلیف ورکوې؟ Why do you trouble yourself? Why has he got fever all the time? د هغه هر وخت ته به ولې یې؟ Why has he got fever all the time? تبا یعنی یو بیماری دی چې په دې کې د سړي ډېر یخني کېږي. When will you pay a visit to us? ته به زموږ خواله کله راځې؟ When will you pay a visit to us? When shall we meet again? موږ به بیا کله میلاویږو؟ When shall we meet again? Who is the gentleman? دا شریف سړی څوک دی؟ Who is the gentleman? When will you meet? ته به کله میلاویږې؟ When will you meet? Which is the best hotel here? دلته د ټولو نه ښه هوټل کوم یو دی؟ Which is the best hotel here? Will you come this evening? نن شپه به راځې کو؟ Will you come this evening? Is there any accommodation in the hotel? آیا هوټل کې څه ځای شته کو؟ Is there any accommodation in the hotel? What is the name of this place? د دې ځای څه نوم دی؟ What is the name of this place? Take this form and fill it. دا فارم واخله او ډک یې کا. Take this form and fill it. What is the rent for this room? د دې کمرې کرایه څومره ده؟ What is the rent for this room? What kind of service do you serve? ته څه رنګې خدمت کوې؟ What kind of service do you serve? Will you give me some water? آیا ته به ماله لږې اوبه راکې؟ Will you give me some water? When do you go to the office? ته دفتر ته کله ځې؟ When do you go to the office? Why are you so happy? ته دومره خوشحاله ولې یې؟ Why are you so happy? Don't do so in the future. په مستقبل کې داسې مه کوه. Don't do so in the future. Don't do such mischief again. بیا داسې شرارت مه کوه. Don't do such mischief again. I have been out since morning. زه د سحر راسې بهر یم. I have been out since morning. It is severely cold today. نن ډېره یخني ده. It is severely cold today. Well, any service for me? ها زما د پاره څه خدمت. Well, any service for me. Don't lose your temper. خپل مزاج مه خرابوه. Don't lose your temper. You should not break your promise. تا له خپل لوز ماتول نه دی پکار. You should not break your promise. I know this language. زه دا ژبه پیژنم. I know this language. Come let us take tea. راځئ چې مونږ چای وڅښو. Come let us take tea. Would you like to smoke? آیا ته سیګرټ څکل خوښئ؟ Would you like to smoke? Is dinner ready? آیا د شپې روټۍ تیاره ده؟ Is dinner ready? I don't want to have my lunch. زه د غرمې روټۍ خوړل نه غواړم. I don't want to have my lunch. Hard work is the key to success. سخت محنت د کامیابۍ چابي ده. Hard work is the key to success. The school will remain closed tomorrow. سبا به مکتب بند وي. مکتب یعنی school. The school will remain closed tomorrow. Are you a vegetarian? آیا ته سبزی خور یې؟ Are you a vegetarian? Time is money. وخت قیمتی دی. Time is money. I didn't expect it. زما د دې تمه نه وه. I didn't expect it. She is a woman of good nature. هغه د یو ښه طبیعت ښځه ده. She is a woman of good nature. Hard work never goes in vain. محنت هیڅ چرې بیکار نه ځي. Hard work never goes in vain. How did you like this house? تا ته دا کور څنګه ولګید؟ How did you like this house? My kids are not mischievous. زما واړه شرارتي نه دي. My kids are not mischievous. May I accompany you? آیا زه ستا ملګرتیا وکم؟ May I accompany you? Should I bring it? آیا مال دا راوړه پکار دي؟ Should I bring it? What's your bill? ستا بیل څومره دی؟ What's your bill? How long will the train stop here? ریل ګاډی به دلته د کومې پورې ولاړ یي؟ How long will the train stop here? Pick up the luggage. سامان اوچت کا. Pick up the luggage. Where is the waiting room? د انتظار کمره کوم خوا ده؟ Where is the waiting room? Be seated for a while. لږ ساعت لکېنه. Be seated for a while. Please don't wait for me. مهرباني وکړه زما انتظار مه کوه. Please don't wait for me. I shall wait for you. زما به تا ته انتظار وي. I shall wait for you. Show the way. لار وښیه. Show the way. Where does this bus go? دا بس چرته ځي؟ Where does this bus go? Where is the public toilet? عوامي تشناب کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the public toilet? تشناب یعنی toilet. How far is the market? بازار څومره لرې دی؟ How far is the market? د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. تھینکس فار واچینګ.